It is my first day back in the studio since I was away. It's actually a lot later. I ended up getting like really sick once I got back. This is the first kind of week I'm feeling up to it and back in the studio. So it's a busy start. What have I been up to today? So I'm packing an order for 2 charms. These ones are so cute. It's the same order, same fabric, but a different kind of part of the fabric. So one is kind of more spaced out and the other heart charm is more floral. I've made my gift bag, so they're going in there, and I'm going to get them packed now, and then we're going to run around to the post office. And then when we come back, we're working on a commission that I started, so I'm kind of halfway through working on that. So I'm working on a commission of, I think I showed you I went to get all the fabric for it, but it is a skirt from all these vintage scarves. I've been working away on it, so I've got like the first few layers of the skirt done. So that is the first layers of the skirt done, and then I've got one more layer to add at the bottom. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm also going to line it. I just put an elastic in to see how it's looking, but I'm going to line it and everything before I finish it off. You can see it's still raw at the bottom here. So I've just been very slowly working my way through this, and when I come back from the post office, we'll get the next layer done. Yeah, so that is my plan. So I'm going to get the order packed and then we'll get back to making this. Okay, I have you balanced on a box. So I'm going to show you the finished skirt. I'm really happy with how it turned out. There's 3 tiers, there's quite a lot of volume, and I pretty much used up like all of the pieces of fabric. I think there's only like the tiniest, where is it gone? There's only like the tiniest amount of fabric left, which I'm going to give back to my customer just so that she has it if she wants to use it for anything else. But yeah, really happy with how it turned out, and I got it like at exactly the length that you wanted. And yeah, I just think it's really lovely, and I like how I've kind of placed all the fabric so that you get like a good kind of, you can kind of even get like different style depending on what way you wear it. So yeah, really happy with how that turned out. Good morning. It's Saturday. I'm in the studio. I don't know the last time we caught up, but I have been working on the pattern for a coat, which I think I've kind of finished doing, and then I'm making my first one. And of course, during making my first one, I made it like even more complicated than it needed to be. It's quite a cropped size, and then I've done all this embroidered detail on the back here. So I'm just fitting the sleeves. These are the little pockets. So I have the sleeves over here. I'll show you lying down as well. But I'm going to embroider sequins on this one, and then I'm going to fit the sleeves. Now that's my plan. I'm hopefully get this coat finished today. So I'm just going to power through that. Probably just show you some shots as I go. I'm going to get out my sequins now. Where are my sequins actually? My sequins are kind of all over the place because I have like quite a lot of my sequin collection at home. Little projects I dip in and out of embroidery, but it's always quite like a foundational part of my work is embroidering. So it's quite nice actually just to sit for a while and do some of this. So I think like the back one there with the kind of iridescent sequins and the gold ones, I think I'll do a mix. So I've got these little square gold ones, beautiful, and then I have in here there's like mixed in some iridescent ones, so I'm going to just pick out the iridescent ones and do them. And that is my plan. So yeah, just a chill afternoon. I've been listening to loads of music, which is really fun. I just have loads of playlists on, and that's been really fun, just kind of listening to that. I spend a lot of my time in the studio listening to podcasts and watching YouTube, but there's something kind of like freeing about just listening to music. It's like your mind can wander a bit more. So I'm going to enjoy my Saturday. I'm going to get that sleeve embroidered and then we'll catch up in a bit. Okay, so I am finished. Really happy with how it turned out. So that is the sleeve done. So now we're going to attach the sleeve to the piece I'm wearing. Really enjoyed myself embroidering and having some fun listening to music. Good morning, just about to cycle in. It's actually so cold this morning. Put on my gloves. Yeah, on my way in to continue working on the jacket. So it is Thursday and I just wanted to show you the progress of where I'm at with the jacket. I'm really happy with how it's all coming together. I haven't finished it yet because just lots of little things have come up this week that have kind of delayed me in getting it finished, but I really like the style, and hopefully when I put the lining in, which is the last thing I need to do, it'll all kind of come together, and then I know the pattern is good and I can kind of continue making more jackets. I also added all this detail with all the embroidery and the sequins, which I've had a lot of fun doing. I really enjoy having the time to kind of sit down and embroider and also like use up all of these sequins. So but anyway, yeah, that's the update on the jacket so far, and we'll get the lining and everything finished in the next few days. So right now I'm getting ready to head to DCU, which is a university here in Dublin, and last year I was a guest judge on their Project Young Designer, where they have this like amazing fashion show, and then they have a kind of a young designer competition within that framework, and they invited me back this year as a guest judge again, so that's this evening, which I'm very much looking forward to. So I need to decide what to wear. That's my thing now before I leave. I also picked up more of these little boxes, which I just find so handy. I have a good few of these just for, well, I have all of my pin cushions in here, but I also have one for my sunglasses, and yeah, I just find that really handy. So yeah, right now we're going to decide on what outfit to wear tonight. Here's the first option, which I know I won't be wearing anyway because the coat isn't finished. But I do like how this looks together. This skirt, if you've been watching my other videos, you remember that I had like this really long skirt that I never wore, and this is the little skirt that I made with it. And I do love how these both look together, but yeah, this coat isn't finished, so I won't be wearing that. Let's see if there's a different, actually I have that other fleece coat, so I'll try that on. This is the other fleece coat, which is what I'm hoping to start making once I perfect the pattern, because I made this and didn't, like, I have such a habit of making coats and not finalizing a pattern, so I actually don't even have the pattern from this, so I'm trying to kind of recreate it. And it also is difficult because you can see like the sleeves twist in this, but in the fleece it doesn't really bother me as much as it does in the more structured fabric. So it's hard to know like exactly what way I want to cut the sleeve, which I really struggle with, I suppose, the most. But yeah, this outfit, I kind of feel like I might wear this because it's really easy and it's also really warm, and the last thing I want to do is be cold. So yeah, I might wear this. I've actually just realised I'm too tired to try on any other option, so I'm just going to go with that option with the fleecy jacket and the skirt, and I'll get that packed up because I'm cycling, so I will not wear that there. I'll change when I get there. What time are we at? It is, I think I have around an hour before I have to leave, so I'll just finish up everything else I'm doing and then we'll get ready and go, and I'll try and take some video when I'm there too. Hi, just in the bathroom getting ready. I'm actually so warm, but I have the skirt on and I'm going to put on the jacket now. So I have the skirt on. I'm going to put on the jacket. I think I'm going to be too warm, but anyway, sleep outfit. So let's go. Here's the stage, everything getting set up. Looks great. Just trying to figure out where I'm supposed to be because I do not know. Hey, here's the stage. Got my seat. So I've just been round to the shop and I've picked up some buttons for the jacket. I don't know why the light is flashing like that. So here are some of the buttons I've picked up for the jacket. It took me so long in the shop to try and figure out which ones to get, just because they didn't have ones that I've got before in stock, but I actually really like how these all look together. So we're going to place them on the jacket and see what that's like. Okay, here is the placement that I'm thinking of. So I think I'm just going to pin them down and start sewing them on. Okay, all pinned in place. This is my setup. I'm just boiling the kettle, but it's just so lovely when it's sunny. So I'm going to start sewing on my buttons, which are over here. And we also have the disco ball putting light across the room, which you can't really see because I'm showing the camera, but it's very pretty. Good morning, it is Thursday. I'm just in the studio. I thought I'd show you I finished the jacket. It is finished. Let me turn you a little bit just so you can see better. But here's the finished jacket, front and back. It's like a cropped, oversized jacket, Peter Pan collar. I added all the button detail, which I think I showed you, getting all the buttons. So yeah, really happy with how it turned out. I added like an extra little piece at the bottom just for a tiny bit more length. I still need to screen print some labels, so I haven't put a label on. I'll try it on at some point in this video and show you. But yeah, really happy with how that turned out. So I have a few things I need to do today. I'm going to start off by, I need to run to the post office to collect an order. I need to run to the fabric shop and get fabric for a star bag that's been ordered in the rose colour. one of these, but the customer wanted like a kind of longer, more adjustable strap, so I need to get fabric for that. Brush my hair, it looks awful. Yeah, so that is my plan. I'm going to run out and do that, and then what else am I doing today? I need to get a video up today because it's Thursday, so I need to finish editing and doing a thumbnail for that. I want to finish that star bag so that I can send that tomorrow, Friday, so it's kind of on the way before the weekend. I'm also working on a top. This is the start of it. My mom actually gave me this fabric. It's so pretty, and I kind of regret not making a skirt, but I always make a skirt. And I have an idea of doing like I think I'll change probably the neckline, but maybe a ruffle, like really roughly, and then big puff sleeves with like big bows, to kind of, I don't know, start working on that kind of bridal collection that I was talking about. I also have my friend Rian dropping in to collect some pieces that the band Bird are going to wear. I'll leave them here. I've talked about them before. They're an amazing like female fronted traditional Irish music group, but they're so cool. They only wear like Irish design, kind of like contemporary Irish design. So yeah, they're really kind of pushing the narrative on what it is to be kind of a modern traditional Irish band. They're very cool. They just released a video with a lot of my items in it because Rian styled it. So yeah, she's going to drop in tomorrow to get pieces because they are playing at the Guinness Storehouse in Dublin for St. Patrick's Day. So they're going to be wearing some of my stuff, which is so fun. Yeah, so she'll drop by tomorrow, so I will get some stuff ready for that too. So yeah, very, very busy day. So the first thing I'm going to do is run to the post office, run to the fabric shop, and then we're back and we're in for the full day. So let's go. Good morning. It is Friday and I'm just getting this order packed. It is a 2-part order. It's this and then the star bag. So yeah, I've just double checked on the website that it is the same charm. So I've done that and we've added our lovely tag, and now we're going to get the star bag. And here is the star bag ready to go, and this one has the adjustable strap. So yeah, gonna get these packed. This is the gift bag that I made to put them in.